Hello student, good morning. Grade 8 subject science. Today's topic chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Students, here last time you have studied chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. Now this chapter, which is very important for you like of age. This chapter is a very important for the grade 8 and at this age, in which it is the time to know important changes that occur in your body. So in this chapter, we'll learn about the changes that take place in human body, after which a person become capable of reproduction. In previous chapters, you have learned human reproductive organs. In this chapter, we shall discuss the role of hormones. Right? These hormones, it is a chemicals in our body which play in bringing about the changes that make a child grow into adult. In these chapters, we covered the topic like different stages of life, puberty, secondary sexual characters, endocrine glands and hormones, different endocrine glands and that secretions. Student, you see the first point. Let's be studying detail different stages of life. Now here the first stage, that is infancy. Infancy period, it is between the age of 0 to 2 years, means from birth to 2 years. Infancy means before the stage of childhood. Now the second stage, that is childhood. It is lie between the years of 3 to 12 years, right? Third stage, between 13 and 19 years, that is adolescence. Then adulthood, it is lie between 20 to 40 years. Then old age, that is above 40 years. Okay students, you see the infancy, it is the stage of growth of baby from birth to 2 years. That is known as infancy. Now childhood stage, it is a stage growth from child from 3 to 12 years. The growth and development of childhood, children growth and development, that is between 3 to 12 years. Then adolescence period, it is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood, that is from 13 to 19 years. Adulthood, that is the period between 20 to 40 years. And old age, it is the period above 40 years. Okay. And the another term, that is puberty. So let's we understand the term puberty. Puberty means what? It is a period when sex hormones are produced in boy or girl and they become sexually mature. Means in boy, sperm start producing. In girls body, eggs start producing. In boys between the age of 14 and 15 attains puberty, means changes started. In girls attain the puberty at the age of 11 years. So the point to be noted, students, over here, that they are sexually mature at the age of puberty, boys and girls. But generally girls are entered in pubic age earlier than boys. You see that girls' pubic age started from 11 years, right? So this point is to be noted well. Now the next point, that changes in teenagers for both boys and girls. What different type of changes that you observe in teenagers? So now the first of all, the first point, that is you can observe the increase in height when the boys and girl, when they enter in teenagers, immediately or suddenly you can find the growth of height of their body. Then you can find the change in body shape, means shoulder becomes broader, mustache comes, right? Change in voice, you can find the change in voice in boys as well as in girls. Another change is increased activity of sweat glands. It is sweat glands, not sweat, right? Sweat gland means what? Perspiration, means pasina nikalta hai, right? So the rate of sweat glands becomes increasing, right? Then another important change is development of sex organs, that we have studied in our previous chapters, chapter number 9, right? So you can find development of sex organs of boys and girls. Another change is production of hormones. Now these hormones, as I have earlier told you, that hormones, it is a one type of chemicals that is in our, it creates in our body. So that production of hormone that stimulate gametes. Now gametes means what? Gametes also you have studied in chapter number 9, sperm plus egg, right? So gametes consist of sperm plus egg, so it stimulates gametes production, so it becomes mentally, emotionally mature. So this all type of changes that you can observe in teenager, right? So in this session, up till here we study. Next session we are going to study in detail of changes of boys and girls. So till then, goodbye. Okay, but the point is, remember, up till now whatever we have studied, right, you have to observe your Google form test and you submit me within 1 hour. Okay, so it is compulsory for you. Goodbye.